YouTube, back at it again, man, with another video. Before y'all do anything, as always, hit that subscribe button, push that notification bell. That way you'll get a new notification every time I post a new video. All right, man, so today's video, man, I had a couple people hit me up, man, and ask me, can I do a tutorial video on how to use the launch control feature on the ScatPacks, Hellcats, SRT 392s, all that. So that's what this video right here is going to be about, man. So, but first I got to get some gas, man, because I'm on E. So I'm going to get some gas real quick, and I'll be back.
Well, it finally happened, Zachary. Somebody turned down my she-shed. She-shed was for my radio. Is my she-shed covered by State Farm?
All right, man, so like I said, this video is going to show you how to use the launch control on ScatPacks, Hellcats, SRT 392s, all that. Let me exit out. All right, so first what you're going to do is go down here. You're going to see Super Track Pack. All right, hit Super Track Pack. And then it's going to bring up a menu. So you got your launch control, drive mode set up, sport mode, your daily driving default mode, all that. You can configure all that on your own. But to get to the launch control, you just hit where it says launch control, hit that button. All right, so this screen, it shows you, you can adjust this, where you want your RPM to set at when you want to stage. Right now I have mine set at 2,000 RPM. So you can set it to whatever you want to set it at. All right, so once you're comfortable with, the RPM, then you just hit activate launch control. All right, it'll activate. Wait until it tells you, all right, now it's saying launch control is now activated. Your vehicle will launch at 2,000 RPM. Now you're just gonna follow the instructions that's right here. So first, what you wanna do is put your feet on the brake all the way, all right? Then you're gonna press the gas all the way down to the floor. So now the car is staging at 2,000 RPM and you let up off the brake. And that's how you use the launch control. All right, I'm gonna do one more video. All right, man, I turned around. So this time, let me try 2,500 RPM. All right, activate launch control. All right. All right, man, so as y'all can see, you just launch, whatever RPM that you're comfortable at. I wouldn't go no higher than 2,500 though, but that's just me. But you know what, since I'm out here on the streets of Mexico, let me do a nice little 0 to 60 timer. I haven't done a 0 to 60 time in this car since I had it for real. But like I said, since I'm out here on the streets of Mexico, let me go ahead and just do a quick little 0 to 60 pull. Hey, but this time I'm not gonna use launch control. I'm gonna do it manually. So let's take that out. Pull up my 0 to 60 timer. All right, I'm gonna stage myself. All right. Three on that one. I spent really bad, man. And there's a truck behind me, so let me wait till this truck go by. Let me turn around. All right, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. For all my Mopar users out there, I hope it was very beneficial and informative. Yeah, that's how you use the launch control. So, like I said, man, I don't really think I would do mine past 2,500 RPM. No staging up, but like I said, it's just me. But as you can see, man, I did a 5.3 on the 0 to 60. But that wasn't the best. I mean, it was okay, but it's not, nothing to really brag about. But keep in mind, man, I'm still on stock tires, 245s. And it's been raining like the last couple of days, so the roads still a little damp. So I'm gonna do another video, man. I just threw this in here because I was out there in Mexico already. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait till I get some new tires, and or maybe on another day when it's like, you know, dry, the road not so wet, I'm gonna do some more, man. So yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Like I said, don't forget to share this video, like, comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, hey, comment below, man. What? So this is the debate I'm having. I don't know whether I should go 305s in the back, 295, 305s, or 315s. Now I do know if you go up past 275s, technically, you know, I'm gonna have to get a bigger rim, maybe like a 10 and a half or 11 in the back, maybe 10, 10.5 in the front, depending on what I do in the back. But you know, a lot of people say, man, these cars really don't need 315s. I've seen a lot of people with 315s, 305s, and 295s on both the Charger and the Challengers. So if you a Mopar user, man, you ain't even got to be a Mopar user. You know what I'm saying? You got a street rod, you know. Comment down below what size tire you think I should go in the front, and you know what tire I should offset it with in the front. You know what I'm saying? So let me know, man, what y'all think, man. Front and back tire sizes. I'm open to all suggestions. I don't know everything, but you know, I just want to see what the people think. So man, like I said, man, y'all comment below what size tire should I go, and stay tuned, man. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, like, share, comment.